If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The color balance adjustment in Photoshop lets you adjust the overall mix of colors in a photo to correct color imbalances or create artistic effects. To apply a color balance adjustment to a selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Color Balance from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Color Balance dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. To select the tonal range within which to focus your color balance adjustments, select either the Shadows, midtones, or highlights choice for the tone or tone balance setting, depending whether you apply this adjustment using the Properties panel or the Color Balance dialog box, respectively. To preserve color luminosity when making color balance adjustments, ensure the Preserve Luminosity checkbox is checked. To then adjust the color, click and drag the cyan or red, magenta or green, and/or yellow or blue sliders towards the color to increase in the selected tonal range, or away from the color to reduce in the tonal range. The values that appear adjacent to the sliders show the change in the red, green, and blue color channels, respectively. If desired, you can also enter values from -100 to +100 directly into these fields. Then repeat this process for any other tonal range to adjust as needed. To apply the color balance adjustment, if using the color balance dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.